How to fix Facebook page quality violation on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings, and when you open settings, you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and go to Facebook. And on Facebook guys, what you should do right now, just scroll down and go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, and on clear data click OK, and that's it. Your problem is solved. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.